YouTube? You know you rocking with Jada One Sam. Today we got another one, still using the Sig 1911. We got a whole new target for you today, man. We do not cross this red line, that's the rule. We got some homemade target, didn't cost me $1. All from home material, old project, $0. Me and my boy, we put this together, courtesy of Jay and Jamal. Today I got my boy Jake in with me.
Yes, sir.
The rules are simple. We're gonna start shooting from the left and move our way to the right. You take a hit, I take a hit, and we move on, all right?
All right.
Pick up your gun. There you go. You ready? Push it down. There you go. I'll go first. Boom, hit. Click it. Rack it. Nah, you good. There you go. Hit. Next. Hit. Look, that hit me right back.
All right.
Did you hit?
I believe so, yes.
Next one. Hit.
All right.
Miss.
Wow.
Go again. I already hit that one, so I'm gonna go to the next one. Hit.
Okay. Want me to move back to this one?
Move back to that one. There you go. Next.
Oh, wow.
Miss. Stop. Hit.
I gotta get this.
There you go. Move to the O.
There we go.
Perfect shot. Last target. What? I'm Jim. Rack. Come on. Let me get your gun. This one acting up. Last target. Miss. Hit.
Let me see.
Last target, baby. Rack it. There you go. I think we out. Hey, that was fun. That was nice. I hit every single one of them. He would have hit all of them, but he's out. Like I said, this is Homemade Target. Don't forget, man, to subscribe, like. We're going to have some backyard fun with the family every day. I'll bring someone new. Thank you, and keep watching. Yo!